Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create bullet points in two columns in Microsoft Word document. So guys, if you are using any version of Microsoft Office, you can apply this setting and this method will work almost all version of Office. Simple and easy way to create bullet points in two columns. Firstly guys, click on Insert Table and select here 2 by 2 according your points. Now here keep your cursor in this first column, home, and select bullet and type your text here. Press enter. Now select second row bullets and type your text. Now keep your cursor in this second column, same insert, and in the home bullet, now type your text. Now select these two columns by clicking this corner and here select no border and click anywhere. So this way you can create bullet points into columns in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.